Oh man, what are we gonna do? Look at this. It's all broken.
You can't repair it.
Yeah, you can. I don't know what we're gonna do. Evan, he's coming. What do we do?
Dance.
Dance. Evan, this isn't working.
What do you think we should do then?
I don't know. Let's hide it.
Okay.
Come on, hide it.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
We're just reading.
Oh,
You know.
yeah, we were reading, yeah.
Oh really? What's that?
Oh.
Was this my Rubik's Cube? I paid $12 for that.
Man. Dude, what can we do to make it up to Scott? He seemed really upset.
Dance!
No!
Then what are we gonna do?
I think I have an idea. Scott! Scott! Dude, I told you we need more cowbell. Scott, wait. This time we have something really cool.
Cool.
Wait. Dude, this is useless. Let's go.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Scott, what's that on the table there in front of the camera?